Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect the Btootos A90 earbuds. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is charge the earbuds and the case. So ensure both the earbuds and the charging case are fully charged using the provided USB-C cable. And then from there we want to power on and enter pairing mode. So open the charging case or remove both earbuds from the case. They should automatically power on and enter pairing mode. If they don't enter pairing mode automatically, press and hold the multi-function button MFB on each earbud for about 3 seconds until you hear power on and see the LED indicators flash white alternately. Then we need to go ahead and enable Bluetooth on your phone or device. So on your smartphone or device, navigate to settings Bluetooth and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. Then connect to the earbud. So in the list of available devices, select A90 Pro to initiate pairing. Once connected, you should hear a voice prompt saying connected and the LED indicators on the earbuds will turn off.